So hello children, we move on to part 3 of our video lesson on similarity. So here you will see in my part 1 of the video I have given you introductory lesson. Part 2 I have done 2019 and 18 because 2020 question came on maps and model, which is not there in syllabus. Then I did 2019 and 2018. I think 2 questions came. One maps and model which I have not done and one on similarity I have done. So here I go to 2000. Next is year 2017. But this question is solved in example 11. So ML Agrawal's book, exercise 13.3, 2017 is solved in question 11. So I'm not solving that. You can please see that and follow. I'm going to ICSE 2016, which I don't see in most of the book. So 2016 I'm telling you what is the question and how we solve. Very nice question, children. Why? Because here we use one property of circle. See how circle, because this is geometry. Circle, construction, similarity, all are related. They are in one particular part 3 of our syllabus in ICSE. I told you 3A is similarity, 3B loci is not there, and 3C, children, is your circle. But now it has become 3B because loci is not there. So here we use idea of circle in doing similarity. What is that one idea? So we have a cyclic quadrilateral which we see in circle. We have to prove that these two triangles. So I'm not drawing separate triangles. One triangle is this and one triangle is big one. So they are similar, and second part we have to find SP. This we have to find, and third part I'll show you. So let us do first 2 parts, then third part I'll go. So first, to prove that this triangle TPS, big triangle, is similar to TRQ. Now see, I have written XX over here. This is given X. This will also be X, children, because we have what we call exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are equal. So first thing is, children, I think this is given X, and this we have to write. This will also be X. So it's given angle QRT is X. Therefore, angle QRT is X. Therefore, SPT is also X. Reason. So 1 mark you will get for using this theorem of circle, that exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angle. And this I have done very nicely in part 1 of my video lesson on circle. I have done 5-part video on circle. The very first part I have explained to you the property of chord and cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. And third part I have explained to you properties of tangent. 6 properties of tangent, 3 of which are there in syllabus now. So this is what we write opposite. Exterior angle of cyclic quadrilateral is equal to exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angle. So 1 mark you will get for this. Now we have to prove similarity, children. These 2 triangles I am writing in top C here. In triangle TPS and triangle TRQ. TPS is big, so you see these 2 I have just proved. Angle, see the bigger triangle first, TPS is big. So angle, just I have proved your SPT we are calling. So here if I call this triangle TPS, so TPS, I could have said this as TPS also, TPS, because order is important, children. I told you TPS from this is equal to your, here if you see, TRQ. Okay, Just I have proved it over here. They are equal. Then angle T is common, children. Angle T is angle T. So see here, in this big triangle, this and this, and in small triangle, this and this. So two angles of small triangle is equal to two angle of big triangle. So this is X, you see. Now what I have shown you the third angle by asterisk. The third angle will be, so this I have shown you by asterisk. Third angle of this triangle should be equal to the third angle of this triangle. So these two are congruent by AA rule. Now second part, if you see here, second part. So here first we prove they are congruent. So here you go to here, this is one part done. Part 2, see here children. Part 2 we have to find, if you see, so let us write down the value what we, so we have to find SP, children. We have already proved this two triangle, big and small one are similar. So TP is 18. So this TP is 18 centimeter. Okay. This full thing is 18. Okay. Then QR, this is 4 centimeter. QR. And TR is 6. TR is 6 centimeter. Now see, we have to find SP, this one. So see, once we have proved similar, so SPC part sides are proportional. SP, let me write what we have to get here. So big triangle SP is opposite to this SP. So this is proportional to small triangle. Small triangle also this angle is equal. So small triangle, this is equal to what we call in books RQ. So this side is proportional to this side. Now see, this 18 is given in big triangle, which is opposite to this third angle. So third angle, this is proportional. So we have what we call TP. TP is opposite to this asterisk angle. So opposite to this is our this RT. Okay, we have TR. So once more, this over this, because this is same angle, equal in big and small triangle. So this is SP by RQ is proportional to TP in this triangle opposite this to TR. Opposite to this in small triangle is TR. So let us substitute, children. SP, we have to get RQ. If you see, RQ is 4, TP is 18 and TR is 6. So if you see, SP is 18 into 4 by 6. So we get 3 is 12 centimeter. So this side is 12 centimeter. Okay. So this is how we get. And then there is a third part of the question also. Please copy, then we will do the third part. So next we see we have to find area of this quadrilateral. If area full, your PTS is given 27. So full thing is 27. We have to get area of this PQ, R is quadrilateral. So area of TPS, if you see, we see. So in big triangle, you see opposite to this angle is this, that is PS. So square on PS. Okay, by this is your square on PS if you take from P to S, X to this asterisk. So upon R, Q, this is Q square. So PS square is 12 square by 4 square. So this is 12 by 4, children. So take out square common 3. So we get 9:1. Okay, so big triangle TPS is by so next what we have to do, children. So this is 9:1. So what we do, area of TPS by area of TPS minus TRQ. So total area, if you subtract this, so this we know is 9 full thing is 9:1. So this full thing 9, we subtract this 1. Okay, from this total we subtract this 1. So actually what we get over here, children, is 9/8. So this is nothing but area of triangle TPS, and this is area of TPS full thing minus this is nothing but area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral PQRS. Okay, so this is equal to, this is 9:8. But what is given, children, finally? This is given area of PTS. So if you say this is equal to 27 and this we have to find. So the area of quadrilateral, okay, PQRS, area of this quadrilateral. So once more you see, total is 9, then this is 8. 9 minus 1, this is 8. So this is given as 27 full thing. So this full thing is 7. So 9, if this is 1 gone 8. So out of 27, you see this will be 24. So let us solve it over here. Okay, area of PQRS is, okay, 8 into 27/9. So it cancels, you will get 24 centimeters square. Okay, so area of quadrilateral is 24 centimeter square. So kindly pause the video and copy. Then we'll move on to one more ICSE question. So let us see ICSE 2015, which is question 17 of ML Agrawal's book, exercise 13.3. So the question, if you see ABC is a right angle triangle at BUC and DE is perpendicular to AC. So first we have to prove ADE, this triangle, is similar to big triangle ACB. So see here, these two angles are equal, children, and this is common to both. So third angle of this triangle, children, this asterisk, and third angle of this triangle, they will be equal. So to prove them similar, so we write in triangle ADE and, as we used to do in similarity, children, ACB. So what we have, first write what is given, angle. We have to find here DE, if you see, children, small triangle, and AD, and a small triangle, I think. So let us take ratio from small to big. Here I have written AD is a small triangle, we take small to big. AD is a small triangle. So what we have in the small triangle, this angle AED. AED, so see, double line 90 degree asterisk. So double line 90 degree asterisk is equal to angle ABC. Double line 90 degree asterisk. Double line 90 degree asterisk, both are 90 degree. This is given, children. So one angle of this triangle is equal to one angle, and one angle is common, children, you see. Angle A is equal to angle A. So two angle of this triangle is equal to two angle of one and this of this triangle. So see, once more, two angle of this triangle, common and 90 and common and 90 in big triangle. Okay, so if you draw, you will see this more nicely. This is 90 degree in this triangle AED. Okay, and in big triangle, if you see, I'm not drawing so big. So in this triangle, you see this angle B. So these two are equal, children, and this is common to both. So what I told you, third angle of this should be equal to third angle of this. So two angles equal, therefore angle triangle ADE is similar to triangle ACB by AA rule. Okay, most of the question we have AA rule. I told you in the beginning, part 1 of my video. This is part 3. Second, we have to find, children, two sides. So please copy this. Then we will find AC is given 13 children. AC is 13. Okay, AC is 13, BC is 5. So if you use Pythagoras theorem, children, by Pythagoras theorem, I think we need AB square is 13 square. So this side, see big triangle, is 13 square minus 5 square. So this will give you 144. AB is 12. Okay, so this is 12 centimeter. This full thing. So if you have any doubt, I have made 5 video lesson on Pythagoras theorem in class 9. So if you have any doubt, just see the first video. Then you will know what is Pythagoras theorem, because it has huge application everywhere in trigonometry, in mensuration, in geometry. So we get this is 13, this is 5, this is 12, and AE is 4. So this is 4 centimeter, children. Okay, so what we have to find here is CDE. So DE of this triangle, let us see. Okay, DE. So let me write over here, it will be easier for you. 4, this is 12 centimeter, children. This is 13 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. What is given? Big triangle, all sides we know, small triangle we know. This. So see here, DE of this triangle, part 2 I am doing here. DE is proportional to small triangle. See, DE is opposite to this. So opposite to this is your BC. DE of this small triangle is opposite to two lines, is proportional to corresponding to BC. Now what two things are given? Opposite to asterisk in small triangle is AE. Opposite to small asterisk is this AE in small triangle. So opposite to asterisk in this triangle is AB. Let us substitute and get the answer. So DE we have to find, children. DE. Okay, first thing we have to find. Okay, DE. Just substitute. BC is how much? 5. BC is 5. AE is 4. Okay, and AB, if you see, is 12. So okay, if you see this, children, this is 3 times bigger. AE is proportional to AB. See here, AE is opposite to asterisk, so this is 3 times bigger. So one hint it gives you. So in the small triangle, if this is my BC is 5, so this is DE is corresponding to BC. DE I told you is opposite to this, so this will be 1/3 of 5. So let us see. So this is 1/3. So DE I told you is 1/3 of 5. So this is 12/3 centimeter. So once more try to understand this 2, you will understand it easier. This is 4 and this is 12. They are corresponding. Opposite to this is 4, opposite. So this triangle, this is 3 times small triangle, this is 1/3. So if this is 5, then if we are finding this 2 are corresponding, I told you, BC and DE. So if this is 5, this will be 1/3 of 5. So 12/3. Let us please copy, then we will find what is AD. So please copy. I need some space to do and find AD. So let us find AD. Okay, see AD in small triangle, if you see, children. So this I have got. AD we have to find, children. AD in small triangle. See, AD is opposite to 90 degree. Opposite to big and opposite to 90 degree in big triangle is AC. Okay, so you can go on writing AD big triangle, it is 13. Now what are two known thing over here? One pair is always known, children. So AE by AB. A small triangle AE. Small triangle AE is opposite to this, and big triangle it is AB. Okay. So this already we have got AE by AE is 4 and AB is 12. So AD is 13 into 4/12. So this is 1/3 centimeter. Okay, once more. I told you this is 3 times bigger. So if this is 12, this is 3. So what will be last question? AD. AD is proportional to BC, you will see. AC. AD opposite to 90 is proportional to or corresponding to, sorry, AC 13. So if this is 1/3 of this, so this will be 1/3 of 13. This is how we do. So answer is 4 1/3 centimeter or 4.33 centimeter, and this one will be, if you find in decimal, 1.67 centimeter. So you can check the answer if it is in decimal or, so this is 4.33 centimeter. So please pause the video and copy. Then we do the last part of the question. Please pause the video and copy. So let us see the last part. Area of ADE, small triangle, to area of this quadrilateral. Let us find small to big. Small to big, I told you this is 3 times bigger. 4 corresponding to 12. So area will be 9 times bigger. So full thing is 9 times bigger. So if this is 1 and full thing is 9, so this will be 8 children. So the ratio of this to this will be 1:8. Try to understand once more. This is 3 times more. So area will be 9 times more. So this is 9 times more than this. So full thing is 9. This is 1. So that means 9 minus 1, this will be 8. So finally answer will be, when you find ratio of this is to this, it will be 1:8. Okay, let us see how to write. So first we know area of, so little hard I told you, but you need to practice and do, children. It's little boring sometime, but geometry is something where you have to think and reason. Area of this quadrilateral I'll not take, I'll take triangle ABC. So small to big triangle, you see children, small triangle, I told you AE is proportional to, opposite to this is AB square. So area of triangle is proportional to side square. So AE is 4 square and this is 12 square. So you can take square common. So it is 1/9. Okay, 1/3 if you cancel. So 1/9. So if this is 1, this is 9. So how to find this? So finally we write area of ADE. Okay, up remains same. Down we have to find quadrilateral. So what we did? Area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle ADE. So quadrilateral is full area minus ADE. You will get area of quadrilateral BCED. So what do we get, children? Area of triangle is 1, area of ABC is 9, and area of this is, so full thing area, this 1 over full minus this you do. So 1/8. So as I told you, full thing is 9, this is 1. So 9 minus 1, this is 8. So finally you have to find ratio of this is to this. So 1:8. So kindly pause the video and copy. And with this we come to the end of part 3 of video lesson. Part 2 also I have done 2 latest ICSE question, and part 1 I have given you the concept. So kindly children, take time, just take time, and I have told you what is in the syllabus I am doing. Please do what I have done, and there are many solved example, nice solved example, ICSE solved example which you see and you do. Just don't see, but you do them. And then in the last session, part 4, I'll do 2 more sum and I'll tell you to practice those solved and unsolved questions. Thank you children for watching this video session.